Right, we're back doing the 22RB restoration with parts. I got the pedestal for the seat. It's been welded up. New plate fitted to it. That rubber will actually go underneath the plate to take up because this is bolted to checker plate. I've got the leaking oil pipe off the engine of the Ruston 6 DAN. It's been leaking on that corner there, it's corroded. So I got some new copper pipe. Got that, make that up. So that bit's done. I got the doors back. I started on it yesterday. The bottom's rusted out. This is the new bottom, which will be welded onto there. That's going to be cut out. This is the actual piece I've cut out, so you can see how bad it is. So the door will also be strengthened with a different size angle iron. That's going to be cut out and plated on the corner there. Cut that bit out ready. So this will go, in fact will go, we've got that end. So this is the plate. I'm going to rub the door right down, back at home now, and completely repaint it, put it in base coat, maroon and yellow. I just got the pin, the rest of the split pin out of the pin off the bridle, so that's been done. So then we got, these are the door runners. They're going to be cleaned up. They're the door runners. They run on a track on the top rail, so the door slides back and forth. This pin was very tight, so I had my old faithful punch, and of course you've got to have the gas. Gas is essential in any restoration. I've done the guards for all the clutches, safety guards. I got 3 doors to refurbish. They'll be fitted onto the RB. Yeah, the doors will come off. They get so much rubbing down to do. It's going to take a long time. So I picked up 3 engine compartment doors, really cheap, and they will be rubbed down, primed, and put into its yellow base coat and maroon, crimson, whatever you want to call it, base coat, and then they will be taken up on site to refit. But I've done see the sign there, painted these up ready. Yeah, I got back onto the projects after a difficult week. My mother passed away just over a week ago, so it's been a hard time for the family. The hobby has taken a bit of the sting out of it, but it's been very sad, to be honest. So this is helping me cope, actually, working on the RB, so it's come at the right time. So thank you, Mum, for all you've done for me. We will miss you as a family, so I will always remember you. And obviously the family's the same, but that's all I feel at the moment is sadness, but the hobby is helping a lot. So all of you out there watching, give your loved ones a phone call, hug your kids, and appreciate your friends, and so remember all the good times from your past. So as we end on a sad note, this is hope to get back up on the machine. Probably it's good. I got a week's work to do here. I need the weather to be good, but it's very blowy today. But that's it for now. I shall plod along, and hope you're all in good health, and I shall see you at the shows coming up this year. But thanks to Jeff and Neil for all their help yesterday. It's really appreciated. The door was bigger than we thought it would be. It wouldn't fit in the car or the van, so those runners goes on to there. So I shall be plodding along over the next sort of week, I would guess. There's a fair bit of work to do, a lot of welding to do, a lot of rubbing down to do. So till next time, best wishes to you all, and await the next video. Bye.